Hello everyone, this is Mark1K1 and this is a Magix tutorial video. One that I have, a series I haven't updated in a long time, like many others. So anyway, right. This tutorial is going to be about the project settings, and this is fairly basic stuff where this editor is concerned, and I'm sure it's basic where other editors are concerned as well. But it's stuff you really do need to know about it. And it's going to be incredibly helpful should you come across a problem like the one I did. Now I was editing something, and don't ask, but basically here's the, I don't know if you know this program, it's called Farscape, but here's the opening to it, and I was using it in this editor. Now basically my problem was it was the first video I put into the editor, and for some reason it decided, okay, I'm going to default to 4:3 as the resolution of this video. I can't remember the specific dimensions, but point being, it defaulted the video's output and consequentially what it would export to as something in 4:3, which means when I started editing my 16:9 files in this, I was confused because I was like, wait a minute, what's going on? Why does this look, well, what's wrong with the resolution, basically? And I scoured around for a little bit on this bit, right-clicking, searching through the settings on here, you know, right-clicking the preview window, because naturally you'd think, okay, well, I could edit the video's output dimensions and its general dimensions by right-clicking here in the preview window. You're wrong. And I was wrong. What you need to do is you need to go to File, Settings, and Movie. Alternatively, I think the shortcut is E. It is, yes. Right. So as you can see, down here in the video settings, you have a bunch of presets that you can select, and I'd recommend HDV1 720 PAL. If you're European, obviously just go with the NTSC version. If you're American, I honestly don't know how much of a difference that makes, but you know, whatever. So as you can see here, you can also edit the dimensions to, you know, whatever you like, as well as the frame rate and the aspect ratio. This is obviously quite important stuff if you're making something that, I don't know, it would suck to put a lot of effort into something and then you export it into 4:3 and you've not realized, and then you have to go back and edit everything, and maybe effects don't line up because you've changed the ratio and something like that. So you want to avoid that at all costs, and this is how you're going to do it. So as you can see at the moment, I've got it set to a 4:3 ratio and a fairly poor resolution. So I'm just going to use the default on this one because there's no point really like using anything else, because that is essentially what I use anyway. So now it's set back to that, you'll see the window's going to change. And there we go. And now it's all in widescreen. Lovely. And I can go into this video. If you watch my previous one, you know how to do this. You can edit the size of it and make a very blurry looking 4:3 video into widescreen, or kind of a fake widescreen anyway. And there it is. And now, actually it doesn't look so bad. And now it will export at widescreen in 720p, which is obviously what you want primarily. Maybe you want 1080p, but the option's there, you know. You'll know what resolution you want it at. So other helpful things with the project settings, you can edit some of the movie information, it says there. You can add a description to it, which you could really just do by right-clicking, going to, you know, properties and whatnot in Windows as a basic thing. But also a very nice little feature is, although this might actually be a feature just for Windows as well, but either way, you can in fact select the preview image for the file, which is quite a nice little thing. If you wanted something specific that you just made, I suppose, then, you know, I guess you could use it. Or you can just use something from the movie itself, as you can see. Little preview window there. So yeah, basically, there we go. Project settings, incredibly important. make sure you use it, make sure you know where it is and all that stuff if you're using Magix and any other movie editor. So yes, I'll be making another one of these very soon, probably one after another, to be fair, because the next one is also quite a simplistic kind of thing. So yes, I'll see you guys in that one.